What if I told you that you could drink your way to looking 10 years younger while boosting your immunity? Well, buckle up, skincare and wellness fans, because that's exactly what we're here to do. In this video, I'm going to share the 6 best healthy shots to make your skin so bright that it blinds your haters and boosts your immunity to the point that you can breeze through cold and flu season like you have an invisible shield up at all times. I'm also going to let you in on the most potent anti-aging ingredient you've probably never heard of. If you're a fan of Korean beauty products, you might know of its skin rejuvenating and immunity boosting powers. I'm so confident that these amazing healthy shots will work miracles on your skin that I want to give you a challenge. Take a selfie before you start incorporating these drinks into your daily routine. Take another one 2 weeks later. If you don't see an improvement in your skin's radiance and hydration level, you're free to call me out in the comments. I also want to mention that I haven't had a cold or the flu since I started boosting my immunity naturally. I'm so excited to share these recipes with you today. The truth is, looking youthful and staying healthy go hand in hand. When you take care of your body, you feel more energetic, your skin glows, and you just radiate a sense of vitality. And the best part is, it's not as hard as you think. With a few simple tweaks to your daily routine, you can start seeing results in no time. So are you ready to look and feel like a glowing goddess, or god, without spending a single penny on La Mer or Drunk Elephant? Today we're diving into 6 DIY wellness shots that don't just taste good, they'll have you radiating youth while boosting that immune system. And the best part? These recipes are packed with superfoods and adaptogenic herbs that will make your skin glow and keep the sniffles away. If you're looking for the perfect juicer, I'll share the one I absolutely love later. We're going to make every drop count with these easy recipes. Ready to get your glow on? We're starting strong with the Golden Glow Up, the anti-aging immune-boosting shot that screams, "I've got my life together!" Ingredients: 2 oranges for that fresh vitamin C, 1 thumb-sized piece of turmeric root or half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a thumb of ginger, pinch of black pepper, because black pepper helps you absorb all that good turmeric. Benefits: oranges are vitamin C royalty. They boost collagen, which keeps your skin bouncy and plump. Vitamin C is also a pro at fighting those pesky free radicals that can cause wrinkles. Turmeric is the king of anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, helping reduce acne and redness while also strengthening your immune system. Ginger is your anti-aging bestie with its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, great for both skin and immunity. Black pepper is the wingman to turmeric, making sure you get all those anti-inflammatory benefits. Phew, feel that burn? That's youth in a bottle, my friends. Next, we have the Collagen Boost Shot. This one is going to make your skin as plump as a ripe blueberry. All you need are blueberries, basil, and a little lemon. Ingredients: half a cup of blueberries, 4 to 5 basil leaves, juice of half a lemon. Benefits: blueberries are loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C, which helps with collagen production and fights off skin-damaging radicals. They're basically tiny warriors for your skin. Basil adds antibacterial properties to help clear out impurities from within. Clear skin from the inside out. Lemon brings in more vitamin C, which, as we know, is crucial for collagen production and keeps that immune system on point. Blueberries and basil. Never knew they'd be skincare buddies, huh? Let's keep that glow going. Hey everyone! This is a tiny channel struggling hard to survive. Liking this video and subscribing really does make a difference. Consider it your good deed of the day. Also, if you love high heels but hate the pain, check the link in the description for 20% off Vivian Leigh insoles. No lie, they're in every pair of heels I own. Surprise! They make comfy insoles for flats too. Now, on with the show. Say hello to Green Glow Machine. This one's all about hydration and anti-aging. We've got cucumber, spinach and pineapple. Ingredients: half cucumber, handful of spinach, half cup fresh pineapple. Benefits: cucumber is super hydrating and its high water content is key for a smooth, youthful complexion. It's also rich in silica, a mineral known for improving skin elasticity. Spinach is loaded with vitamins A, C and E. These babies fight wrinkles, give your skin a glow, and keep you protected from colds and flu. Pineapple brings a dose of bromelain, an enzyme that fights inflammation. Plus, it tastes amazing. If glowing skin and hydration were a shot, this would be it. And hey, your immune system will thank you too. We're going hardcore with the Adaptogen Power Shot. This is the ultimate holistic health shot, packed with adaptogens like ginseng and goji berries for that next-level immune boost. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon Korean red ginseng extract, 1 tablespoon goji berries, soaked in hot water. 1 carrot benefits. Ginseng is an adaptogen, which means it helps your body adapt to stress. It's amazing for boosting energy and immunity, while also helping to boost collagen production and rejuvenate skin. It is renowned for its anti-aging properties. If you haven't guessed it, Korean red ginseng is the ingredient I referenced at the beginning of this video. I highly recommend the ginseng products from Korea Ginseng Corp. Check the link in the description for a discount. Goji berries are full of vitamin A and antioxidants, which help reduce signs of aging and brighten your complexion. Carrot is full of beta-carotene, turning into vitamin A in your body, which is essential for skin health and immunity. This shot will make you feel like you've just had a spa day at the fanciest Korean skincare clinic. Time for some green power. This Zesty green immunity shot has kale, apple and lemon to keep you feeling radiant and immune ready. Ingredients: 1 handful kale, 1 green apple, juice of half a lemon. Benefits: kale is high in antioxidants like vitamin C and A, fighting skin damage and wrinkles. It's also a big help for your immune system. Green apple is low in sugar, high in fiber, and adds a touch of sweetness. It's also packed with antioxidants that boost your skin's glow. Lemon brings the vitamin C boost, which you can never have too much of when it comes to skincare and immunity. This one's the green goddess of skincare shots, simple, clean, and powerful. And last but definitely not least, the antioxidant boost. Beetroot, pomegranate, and ginger team up for this anti-aging, glow-boosting powerhouse. Ingredients: 1 small beetroot, half cup pomegranate seeds, half thumb ginger. Benefits: beetroot is amazing for blood circulation, which gives your skin a natural rosy glow. It's also full of antioxidants that help fight aging. Pomegranate is a rich source of polyphenols, known for keeping skin hydrated and radiant. Ginger adds that anti-inflammatory punch, reducing acne and redness while boosting your immune system. If antioxidants could give you superpowers, this shot would be it. Now for my favorite juicer. It's the Ninja JC 151 NeverClog cold press juicer. It's easy to use, it powers through even the toughest ingredients, and it's even dishwasher safe. And the best part? You don't need to stress about pulp clogging your juicer, because the Ninja JC 151 NeverClog cold press juicer is a lifesaver. With this juicer, you get every single drop of goodness, making each of these shots as potent as possible. It's quick, it's easy, and it's so worth it if you're serious about your health and skincare routine. Drink up, glow up! Now that you've learned how to glow up from the inside, take your natural beauty game to the next level and learn how to make your own skincare products by watching this video. See you next time.